Sunderland 1-1 West Ham. Downing denies Black Cats. The England international scored via a deflection to immediately cancel out Jordi Gomez's first-half penalty, ensuring the Hammers stayed fourth in the Premier League. Draw specialists Sunderland halted West Ham's impressive winning run with a 1-1 stalemate at the Stadium of Light on Saturday. One of the Premier League's most informed teams, fourth-placed West Ham travelled to the northeast on the back of 3 straight top-flight victories, but found themselves frustrated by a resolute Sunderland outfit. Sunderland boss Gus Poyet spoke of his desire to turn draws into wins in the lead-up to the game, after a run of results that had seen his team take a share of the spoils against the likes of Chelsea and Liverpool. And it looked as if the Weirsiders were set to claim only their third Premier League win of the campaign when Jordi Gomez gave them the lead from the penalty spot in the 22nd minute. Yet West Ham's response was swift and Stuart Downing quickly levelled matters in the 29th minute. From there, West Ham looked the more likely to push on and take all 3 points, but despite a string of second-half chances, they were left to settle for a point that may cool talk of a UEFA Champions League challenge. Sunderland, meanwhile, have now drawn 10 of their 16 top-flight fixtures this term. Poyet's side lived dangerously in the early going and goalkeeper Castel Pantilimon was forced into a near-post save in the 6th minute to deny Carl Jenkinson following a poor defensive header from John O'Shea. The hosts were vulnerable at the back but went ahead in controversial fashion. Adam Johnson went to ground in the area under minimal contact from James Tompkins, and referee Phil Dowd showed little hesitation in pointing to the spot.